Man, it's nice to lay down and relax after a long day of working. Hey, Chef Pee-Pee! What do you want, Bowser? I just laid down! Well, I need to talk to you. Okay, Bowser, what do you want to talk about? Well, what did you do today? Did you do anything different? No, I just cooked and cleaned like I do every day. That's nice. Well, I just wanted to let you know that I installed cameras all around the house to keep my eye on you. Wait, what? What did you do that for, Bowser? To keep my eye on you, you idiot. And I think we should watch today's footage to see what you did. Watch it with me. Hey, Chef Pee-Pee! What, Bowser? When's my food gonna be ready? Well, I'm cooking it right now. It should be ready soon. Well, if it's not ready in 5 minutes, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Oh, I can't stand Bowser. He's always yelling at me, wanting me to do stuff. Oh, you want your food, Bowser? You want it so bad? Yeah, that'll teach him. Taste my spit. Oh, I hate doing dishes. I don't want to do this shit anymore.
Chef Pee-Pee!
What you want?
This is a test of the Lemontown emergency alert system. This is only a test. The state of Lemontown has participated with local emergency services to bring you information during emergencies. If this would been an actual emergency, official messages will follow the alert tone. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system. No action needs to be taken. This is only a test.
Man, I hate my life. I wish I could just disappear and never come back.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee.
What you want, nigga?
I can't sleep. Can we play a game?
Play a